Hello, we are High Clouds, and in this video, we are showing you how we assembled this FDM 3D printer. These are all the nuts and bolts provided with the 3D printer, and we assemble each of the component and make a 3D printer. Basically, it's a DIY 3D printer. It's one of the most affordable and very suitable for educational purposes and also prototyping purposes. This plate is movable. This is the display unit, and here goes the 3D printer laying out its first layer. Now it will proceed to make the actual object. This object is designed in a computer and it is fed to the 3D printer, and the 3D printer automatically prints it. The object is ready, and thanks for watching.